Thank you, Viviana.
And let's maybe fly to Vancouver.
Okay. So we're gonna do 2 flights.
2 flights. Perfect.
We're gonna take off, fly around the city, come back and land. Okay? So I just need to do a few things here for you. Okay? So right now we have, let me unpause it. We have the plane at the gate.
Okay.
They put in some cargo in. And if you look it over here, you can see all the doors open. Okay? So the first thing for us to do, we call the walk around. We check the engines, we check the wings, we check the tires and the fuselage for any physical damage or any wear and tear. Now, in the back of the plane, we have this little exhaust pipe. Do you know what that is?
Yes, it's auxiliary power unit.
Yes, sir. Called, nickname APU. APU is not running because we have the primary exterior power on.
So,
Okay.
So we're being fed from outside.
From outside. So 777 has 2, primary and a secondary. Okay. So APU is not on yet. So usually we turn the APU on 5 minutes before the pushback. Okay, which was just about to do that. So once we finish the walk around, go back inside. Okay, now we're gonna turn the APU on, click to start and let it go. Let it go, let it go. Now we'll wait until it says APU running. So it's take a little bit time, okay? Now, let me check my oxygen bottle. And you check yours right over there. Perfect. In case of emergency, we need to land the plane still. Fire drill. Press this button and hold. That's good. 1, 2, and 3. 2 bottles in each, excuse me. 2 bottles of CO2 in each engine, plus on the APU. Okay? In case of a fire, we can put the fire down. APU is running. We can now disconnect the outside power. That's good. APU is running. Let's do one more test. All the LED lights on. So pull back and hold. Now check all the LEDs. Everywhere must be on.
Yes, looks good.
Perfect. You can let it go. Excellent. Now pre-flight checklist, my captain. Inspection, done.
No.
Oxygen, check. FMC, flight management computer. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
So this is where we put all the flight information. Okay. Which gate? Taxiway, runway, route, airport, weight, all cargo, fuel, all the information. It's already done. It's more technical. Next time you want to do it, you can do that as well. It just goes on your time. Some people bring their own flight plan from home.
Really?
Yeah. We can flush the system and we can do as you wish. But it goes on your time. It's all up to you. So see the magenta line? That's a route. Okay, we're gonna take off, fly around the magenta line. Okay? So briefing. We're gonna take off on runway 15. That's gonna take us to Lake Ontario. Okay, heading 148. That's 2 degrees of magnetic deviation. We're gonna climb to 3,000 feet. Our first waypoint is called TSAC. And it is 8.5 nautical miles away from the starting point from us. Okay, and then we follow the line. Altimeters. 2992, 2992, 2992, and that put us to about 580 feet above sea level. 3,000 is your target. Right there. Okay, and this is your primary flight display. Sky, ground, artificial horizon line, the wings, plane's nose, airspeed, ground speed, and altitude. And this is a navigation display. All right. So transponder we still have on standby. Fuel control switch is still on cutoff. Parking brake is off. We have the shocks holding it up. Now, if you look at here, you can still see all the doors open. So, of course, we don't have any real passengers here, but we can simulate that.
Flight attendants prepare for gate departure.
Doors to automatic and cross-check.
And now it's time to close the doors. We're gonna set a beacon, nav, logo lights on. Go for it. Logo lights on. So, wind don't need its daytime. So you can see all the doors being closed. Once we have all a green, automatic and green to go, we're gonna talk to the ground crew. Using your left index finger, there's a trigger right there. Right here on the forward. So press and hold, we talk to them. Let it go, we can talk about them. The only way for them to listen to us is to press it.
Yeah, so there is two positions. So
Yes, doesn't matter, up and down, it's okay. All right, so all the doors are good,
Yep.
and we're gonna talk to them. I'm gonna introduce ourselves and we go from there. Good afternoon, you flight 777 Heavy.
Go ahead.
Request pushback.
Request pushback.
Perfect.
Set parking brake.
Set parking brake. Tell him parking brake set.
Parking brake set.
Seatbelt signs on. Good.
Okay, steering pin inserted. Please release brakes.
Brake release. Tell him brake release.
Brake release.
Pushing back.
Okay, so let's lock the door behind us. Nobody can come to the cockpit no more. Okay, just to outer speed. Okay. Fuel pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hydraulic pumps. Left engine
All
on.
engines clear for startup.
Engine start up, thank you. Left electric auto. Right engine on. Right electric auto. C1, C2 on and on. Auto, auto. So we clear to start the engines. We're going to start with the outside engine, which is engine number 2. Click to start, let it go. Perfect. Now look it down here. The outside fan will start to rotate. The left. There you go. Let it go. It's automatic. That's why you press it off again. Nice. The outside fan will start to rotate. Here we go. Now we wait until the oil pressure reaches 9. Go for it. Lift, flicker up.
Set parking brake.
Lift, flicker up. There you go. Set parking brake. Tell him parking brake.
Okay, towing system is removed. Please wait for my hand signal on your left-hand side. Bye-bye.
Parking brake set.
Okay, and he already cleared us. They wanted to get away with us. They don't care. Bye. Ciao. Okay, engine number 2 is starting it. All we gotta do, see the fuel flow going in? All we gotta do is wait and watch the exhaust gas temperature, not to go over the red line. Okay, and you can start engine number 1. Click to start, let it go. Perfect. Once again. Perfect. I won't need it because you're flying the plane. Be care of my team.
169.
Perfect. Engine number 2 is stabilized. Engine number 1 going in air. Perfect. Excellent. Fuel flow starts going in. Now I'm going to change the view from the doors to the flight controls. Okay? So now we're going to check the flight controls. Hand on the yoke, pull back. Nice and easy. Elevator is working. Center. Push forward. Here we go. Center. Full right. Center. Full left. Perfect. Now using your feet on the pedals, the bottom part, push your right foot. Good. Your left foot. Perfect. Just want to make sure all the controls are working while we're still on the ground, right? Captain, we're going to go this way here, following this yellow line. Any idea how big planes steer on the ground?
How big is the micro?
How do we steer on the ground?
I think there is some
Tiller
tiller.
for the nose wheel. That's right. So right is right, left is left. Okay? So park and brake off. Clear on the right.
Clear on the left.
Okay, just a little bit power, not much. That's good. That's it. Okay. So right hand and your left. Right here. Right here. Okay. Just a little bit. Keep going straight. We're gonna take the second taxiway. Okay? And you see your guidance? Now turn the taxi lights on for me, please. Right here. Forward. Good.
This one or second one? Second one.
Second one. Just a little bit. Take your time. And you see how sensitive it is.
Yeah.
See your ground speed? Right there. 8. So your right hand and your left. I know you want to grab the control like a car driver. So I wanted to show the controls only in your left hand. Okay? That's why. We're gonna overturn a little bit. It's a huge plane. Not yet. Go straight, straight, straight. Okay, now start to turn. A little bit less than that. Hold that turn and hold. Hold that position. Don't move. Take your time. Hold still. Overshoot a little. Hold still. Hold still. Hold still. Don't go to the left. Hold one position. Okay, go to the right. Okay, don't move. Okay, right there. Hold. Turn. 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 Hold. Don't move. You move. Turn.
Okay.
Hold. Hold. Don't move. Straight. You gotta hold. You gotta hold. And wait. It takes some time.
Yeah, it's massive. Massive.
Flaps 5. Go a little bit to the left. Auto brakes on RTO. Don't worry about that car, kamikaze guy. Okay, I'm gonna reset our auto throttle. Okay, all good. And we're gonna put the TCAS on right here. Turn to auto. Go for it, right here. Auto, right here. Good, yes. That's the TCAS, anti-collision system. Okay,
TCAS test passed.
that's perfect. Slightly to the right. Let's be right on the center line. Okay.
Trying.
Good. Hold. Right there is perfect. A little bit to the left. See? It's very sensitive, that's all. Good. Perfect. Straighten on. Excellent.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I ask that you direct your attention to the forward part of each cabin, to the TV monitors, for a brief and important message about the safety features and procedures for this aircraft. Please ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened, your seats are in the upright position, and the tray tables in front of you secured ready for takeoff.
Perfect. Anti-ice, auto, auto, auto. Good. Okay, we're crossing a runway. We're clear to do so. Clear on the right.
Clear on the left.
Okay, always look.
So going forward.
Yes, all the way to the end. So runway 15 is right there. We're gonna go
Approaching
all the way to
2,
the end.
3.
We are big guys. We use all the runway we can. All right, before takeoff, flaps 5 and green. Auto brakes on RTO. Okay.
I'm repeating, right?
Sorry?
I'm repeating.
Yes. Okay.
Auto brake RTO.
Recalls? No recalls.
No recall.
Okay. And final load sheet is received.
Final load sheet is received.
Lock door, deck door is locked.
Back door is locked.
The only thing we need to do is
Cabin crew, take your seats for takeoff.
So now we turn left.
turn left. Keep following the yellow line. And before takeoff, checklist is complete, my captain.
Thank you.
turn and hold. Hold that position. So keep your hand on the top of the lever. Okay. See, put your hand on the top of the lever. Let it go a little. Right there. Hold it. Go halfway. Hold that position. Turn and hold. Hold.
Okay.
Don't move. Turn and hold. Hold. Don't move. Hold. You move. Turn and hold. Hold. Hold.
Holding.
Hold. You gotta hold. If you don't hold, you start to go in zigzags.
Approaching.
Yeah.
1-5 left.
Perfect. Keep on going. Hold that position a little bit more, a little longer. Okay, now hold that position right there. Hold it, don't move. Turn, turn. Not all the way, you're going all the way. I want you to go halfway. Half. Hold. Hold that position, don't move. Don't move your hand.
Okay.
Hold. Take your time. Take your time. Hold still until I tell you to. Hold.
On
Just like
runway
Santa Claus.
1-5
Hold.
left.
Hold. And straight. See? You gotta hold. And if you turn all the way, it's too much. Then you're compensating. Turn a little and hold.
Yeah.
All right, Captain. Landing lights on. 1, 2, 3. Runway lights on. Taxi lights off. Strobe lights on. So now for us to take off, okay? You have your right hand on the throttles. Not yet. I don't want to hold my hand. You're gonna go halfway. Not yet. See, halfway. Wait a little bit for the engines to spool it up. Then you're gonna click the toggle button. That's the takeoff and go around.
Two buttons.
Just one. Either one you press, it will work. Let it take your hand with it. And you're gonna keep your hand on the throttles until you hear the first speed called view 1. Once you hear view 1, right hand goes to the yoke. Wait for your second speed, VR. Rotate. So once you rotate, just bring the
10
nose
degrees.
to 10 degrees. Excellent. Now on the ground, you're gonna be using the rudder, left and right, but not too much. All right, we're good to go.
Yeah.
Both feet on the pedals. Okay, Captain. We're clear to take off. You have control.
I
Say
have
it.
control.
Right on. Okay, left hand on the yoke, like that. Right hand over here. Go halfway. Good. Right there is good. Wait for the engines to spool it up. Click this button here. Keep your hand over there. Like this. Good. Now, left foot a little bit. Just your left foot. Not too much.
Approaching 2,
See?
3.
And straighten again. That's good. Keep your hand over here still.
80
Just your
knots.
feet.
Check.
See? 80 knots check. Left foot a little.
V1.
View 1. Right hand on the yoke. Not too much.
Rotate.
Rotate, Captain. 10 degrees. Take your
V2.
time. Straighten the wings. Straighten the wings. There you go. Perfect.
Positive rate.
Gear up.
Thank you.
See? That's us. Okay? See where we are? Nose down a little. 10 degrees line. Flaps 1. Right there.
Should I keep my feet on the...
No, you don't need it to. Excellent. See? 26. We go into 3,000. Good. So nose down a little. Almost 3,000. See? Here we go. Bring the nose. Wait a little. See? Here we go. Hold it right there. Not too much. See how we're descending already? Nice and slow. Take your time. You're getting paid by the hour. What's the hurry? See? Look at that. Almost 3,000. Nose up a little bit. And hold steady. See? Right there is good. Look at that. Good job, my guy. See? TSAT. 3.6 nautical mile. And that's Toronto right there.
Oh, right.
little, my captain. At 1.5, we start to turn.
1.5.
Yes. And you compensate a little, but not too much. Turn, nice and steady. Now look at over here. That's the plane's tail. 10 degrees. Let's go to 20 degrees. Right there. See, 20 degrees. We don't want to go over 30 degrees. Watch your altitude. See, right there. Nose down a little. But it's still turning. See, nose down a little. Look your altitude. See, you're climbing. We just want to turn. There you go. Hold steady. Still turn. You see the next star?
Yeah.
We're gonna put that star in the center line. Hold steady. Don't need to descend too fast. See? We turn. Keep turning. Keep turning. We're almost there. Almost 3,000. Bring the nose up a little. See? And you're still turning. See that?
Yeah.
Nose up a little. Not too much. And you straight up the plane. Excellent, Captain. Excellent. See? Once you press this button here, you engage the auto throttle. It's keeping up the speed. Okay? And these will move back and forth. See? Straighten up the plane. Just fly straight from it. Enjoy the view, Captain. Nose down a notch. Toronto, make a little bit left turn so you can enjoy the view. There you go, perfect.
Climbing a bit.
See, there are two movements, up and down, left and right. See, we're gonna turn. And then before 3,000, you bring the nose up a little. Otherwise,
We're going down.
we'll keep overshooting. See, we do before, that's all. Excellent. Nose down a little. And straight. See?
Yeah. We need to, catch the momentum.
Yes.
It's all about momentum.
That's good. Marat is the next waypoint. 1.7. 1.6.
Johnny?
What do you think?
I think yeah.
Go for it. You're the captain. Doing good. See? Excellent. Nose down a little. You're almost there. See, we're now going to Abidal, and that's the runway trajectory line, okay?
Okay.
So now we know what the runway is pointed out to. Good. Slow down to 180 for me, Captain.
180, please.
Yes. And I put the flaps down to 5. It's
down
almost there. Once you reach the position that I select, it changes to green. See? 5. Let's find out as we're flying, what's going to be a landing speed? Initial reference button, flaps 30, 137, and it's right there. See it? That's a VREF speed, Captain. Good. Turn, take your time. Hold, little bit. Take your time. Hold steady. Hold steady. Look at outside. See all that I did? Look what I did with my right hand. I just hold that position for you. That's all I'm doing. See? Nose down a notch. And it's still turning. See?
So
Nice and steady.
When
see?
we release, right? When we
Not
release,
yet.
it's still.
Look at that. Straighten it up. Straighten it up. Straighten it up. Straighten it up. Nice. See? So that's the runway we're going. Okay. So nice. Go a little bit to the right. Hold steady. Straight. Okay. We're gonna descend to 1700. Slow down to 150.
1.0.
Yes. Good. No need to be doing too much adjustments. See? Hold steady. See the runway there?
Yeah.
See the runway here? See, we're catching up again. Let's put that star in the center line. Just a little bit. Excellent. See? Now I want to put the landing gear down. You're gonna pull and down. Nice and easy. Go for it.
Landing gear down.
Yes. Excellent. Hold steady. Small, fine adjustment. Look at the runway right in front of us. You don't need to be doing too much adjustments, okay? Perfect. Cabin ready. Auto brakes on 2. Speed brake armed. Landing gear down. So bring the nose up a little. Final speed 137 plus 5.
137.
Plus 5. 137 plus 5.
It's not plus 5. There's something.
How much is 137 plus 5?
Ah.
142. You're done.
I thought
That's
it's
for
like decimal.
safety. In a bad weather, we add 10. Good weather, just fine. See the runway there? This is good. Straight up the plane. Nice. Okay. Before landing checklist, my captain. Gear down in green. Flaps 30 in green. Auto brakes on 2. Speed brake is armed. Cabin ready. Landing lights are on. Before landing checklist is complete. Just gonna set the minimums. See, slightly to the left. Not too much. Straight again. Now, do you know anything about the PAPI lights?
Nope.
Precision Approach Path Indicator. Too white, too red. That's what we're looking for. How
Approaching
white,
2,
too high.
4,
How red, too low.
Okay.
So right now we're a little bit too high, correct? So
Correct.
what we do, we bring the nose down just a little bit. Right there is good. Very short, see? One red. See?
Approaching
Nose up a
minimums,
little.
400.
See? 2 and 2, perfect.
Minimums.
Minimums, runway is
Can
this
we
side. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Continue. Good job. 427.
200.
Small adjustments, my captain. You're doing, look at that. 2 and 2. That is perfect. Straight up the wings.
100.
Excellent. Throttles to idle. Bring the nose up a little.
50. 40. 30. 20.
Let us sit. Let us sit.
10.
Let us sit. Reverse thrust. Pull up nice and easy. Forward your left hand. There you go. Use your left
Manual
foot a little bit. And straight. Brakes all the way.
approaching 3, right.
Then we wait for the clappage from the passengers. Very good job, my captain.
Thank you.
So reverse thrust down, left hand on the tiller. See, just a little bit power to get us going. See See, we take our time. See your exit right there.
This one.
We don't want to go in the grass, right?
Yeah.
It's too bad.
For grass.
And you see the yellow line?
Yep.
That's your guidance. Now remember, go quarter turn and hold. Hold and wait. Wait. Not yet. Go a little bit over. It's a huge plane.
Yeah, yeah. Understand.
See? Start to turn. See how you're going? Look at that. Wait. Take your time. Perfect. See? Take your time. Look at that. A little bit more now. Hold. Hold. A little bit more again. It's coming. And it's straight. Now go on the brakes. Both feet tip your toes. Nice and easy all the way.
Stocking?
Yeah. Tip your toes. All the way. Good. Now let it go the brakes. Parking brake on.
Brake on.
Double check.
Parking brake
set.
set.
Very good, my guy. Very good. See, as a car driver, you wanted the reaction right away.
Yes.
It takes time to say, okay, I gotta wait. It takes time. Okay? But you see, I try to make you calm. Because I know, as a car driver, no, I gotta react. Your mind is fighting with me. Because you're used to the reaction. And I'm trying to say, it's a little different. But we did it.
Absolutely.
So, Vancouver?
Vancouver?
All right. You know the nickname for Vancouver? No, the nickname for Vancouver.
Yeah, I understand.
It's Raincouver.
Rain? Rain. Nickname. I thought it's like.
You know what's the nickname for Toronto?
No.
Snoronto.
Raincouver and Snoronto. Really?
All right. So that's the runway right there. Okay. So I'm gonna unpause it.
Right.
Parking brake off.
Parking brake off.
Left hand on the tiller. I'm just gonna apply a little bit power for now. See? See the arrow line?
TCAS test.
Don't turn your head.
Passed.
Now start to turn to your left, just halfway, a little bit more, and hold that position. Just hold that position. That's perfect. Take your time. Take your time. See? It's a huge plane. Now turn a little bit more and hold that position. Hold still. Hold still. Hold still.
On
Until you see the
runway
center line right here.
08. Right.
Aha! See? You get it, my captain. You get it. A little bit to the right. On the right. And straight. Okay. Captain, we are clear to take off. You have control.
I have control.
So left hand on the yoke. Right hand over here. Go halfway. Wait a little for the engines to spool it up. Keep your hand on the throttle. Click the button. Now use a little bit your right foot. Just your right foot, but not too much. Good. Straighten it again. Perfect. Keep holding like that. Right foot slightly. There you go.
80 knots.
80 knots check. Cross check. Left foot a little.
V1.
Right hand on the yoke. Straight.
Rotate.
See? 10 degrees, Captain. 10 degrees. Take your time. Hold steady. Perfect.
Positive rate.
You're up. See? Excellent. Excellent, my Captain.
V2.
on to it. Okay, now we're gonna start to make a left turn. Let's fly over Vancouver. I want to turn heading 330.
Okay. This is our
Yes.
Mexico.
So now we're gonna look at the heading altitude, okay? 330. You're turning to 25 degrees. That is perfect. Take your time. Keep turning. That's perfect. Okay, that's perfect.
This angle is a little bit too much.
Right now, yes. See? You keep looking all the time. See? 330 is approaching. Here we go. Perfect. Perfect right here. Nose down a little. 3000 is reached. See? I just put us right to the center of the star. See? I don't want to go too high, otherwise you won't see the city. Good. Just fly straight. See, all that I do, I hold the plane and I stabilize it. Number one thing, stabilize the plane. Now we're gonna correct it a little bit to 320, but not too much. See, 324. Take your time. 323, 2, 1, 320. Straight. There you go. See? See how little bit it is? Don't worry about the altitude, okay? Enjoy the view. You can go a little lower so you can enjoy the view. Doing good. Stoneleigh Park. Left turn.
Radio altimeter.
Go a little bit down. Lower.
Nose down a little.
We're on 24 countries.
It's okay. Enjoy the view. Once you finish the turn, so you can see the Stoneleigh Park, we're gonna go back to 3000. Keep climbing.
Little by little.
Yes.
Going like oxen, right? Heading oxen?
I'm gonna set up the legs for you. See? Copy and paste and adjust the line. See that?
Radio altimeter.
See? Turn, hold, wait. Same as the tiller. Hold, wait. See the star coming up? And nice and easy, spraying it up. There you go, see?
Yeah, we're almost there, 3000.
Alright, good. See that? See your vertical speed? See the little needle? That's your vertical speed. See? Very good. And I still have my T on it. Be careful. Just fly straight. See? I'm not even helping at all. See? Take your time.
Now the first rule of the junior pilots:
What is that?
don't disturb plane to fly itself.
Yeah. See? This is good.
So we're gonna go this turn, right?
Yes.
Parabolic piece.
So you see the white dotted line? That's the trajectory line for the runway. Okay? So now we know which direction the runway is pointed out to. So you can actually turn a little bit, heading 250. 250 to the right, 250. Turn, nice and easy, and turn still hold. Perfect. See what I'm doing? I'm giving you room for the turn. Okay. Perfect, 250. See, we are now parallel to the runway. See that?
Yeah.
That's all. It's gonna be a little easier for you to do the turn because it's basically a U-turn.
So we're going a little bit further down? Yeah.
Just a little. All right, you're doing good. So let's make the left turn. All the way. Nose down a little. And I'm gonna slow us down, okay? To 180. Perfect. We're also gonna start to descend to 1800. See, you can turn close to 30 degrees. We overshot a little, but not as much as was on the magenta line, see? That's it. Continue turning. There you go, with descending as well. See? Less than 30 degrees, which is good. There you go. So nice and easy, straight up the wings. There you go. See, straighten it up. Now we're gonna catch up the white dotted line. See? Perfect. Just fly straight.
Unless we cross it.
Beautiful mountains, huh?
Yeah. I should set 1900.
See, we're good.
Good.
Excellent.
Radio altimeter.
Perfect. See? Okay, we're gonna descend to 1900. We're almost there. Nice and slow. From this moment, all we need to do is some fine adjustments. Just a little bit. Let me find out the landing speed. Okay, so not too much, you see. Take your time. Look at the runway, pretty much in front of us.
Yeah.
Okay, Keep it 1900 for now.
Still a little
That's
too
good. See? Just keep it that way. Not, don't want to go up anymore. Too tough. Okay, hold steady. Slightly to your left. There you go. Now we're gonna start to descend to 600. Okay? Gonna slow us down more and continue to descend. Look at the runway right there.
Ah, that's it, okay.
Nice and straight. Okay, landing gear down, nice and easy. Pull and down, nice and easy. Perfect. Excellent. Auto brake on 2, speed brake 1. Okay, don't need to be dancing too much in the plane, just a little bit. Okay, slightly to your left. Hold, hold, hold. And straight it again. See? Flaps 20. Final speed 145.
145 cents.
Very good, Captain. Very good. Straighten it up. It's right there. See? Flap study.
Get ready.
One thousand.
Down.
Still a little bit higher, right?
Yeah.
Approaching
Good.
08. Right.
Nose up a little.
500. Approaching minimums. 400. Minimums.
Minimum.
Continue.
Runway side. Continue. That's good.
300. 200.
Okay. Nose up a little.
100.
Nose up a little. Throttles to idle.
50.
Nose up a
40.
little bit more.
30. 20.
Wait.
10.
Okay. Plane is stable. Reverse thrust pull up nice and easy. That's good.
Manual braking. Approaching 2.
Very good.
6 left.
Then we wait for the clapping from the passengers. Very good, Captain. Very good. Left hand on the tiller. Good. See our exit over there.
This one.
Right here to the left, okay? Turn left. All the way. All the way. Turn left. Left, left, left. All the way, all the way. All the way.
This there.
Right here. Keep holding. Keep holding. Hold. See the center line? Wait. And straight. There you go. See? Now, after landing checklist, my captain. Landing lights off. 1, 2, 3. Turn right a little. Runway lights off.
It's off.
Taxi lights on. Strobe lights off.
Strobe lights off.
Okay, we're gonna make a left turn, but not yet, okay? Perfect. Auto brakes on off. Spoilers are down. Flaps are going up. Turn a little bit less and hold. Go halfway. Hold, hold. Don't go 0. Hold. Halfway. Hold. Hold. There you go.
Ladies and gentlemen, It will take the captain a few moments to taxi to the gate, and we ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off and the aircraft comes to a complete stop at the gate. That will be the only indication that it is safe to get up and move about the cabin. We also ask that you keep the aisle clear of any hand luggage.
Not yet.
This is the termination of our flight,
Not
so
yet.
we ask that you check the seatback pockets
Start
and
to
overhead
turn.
lockers for any articles you may have brought with you.
Hold.
Extra care should be taken when opening
Oh.
overhead lockers, as some items may have shifted during our flight.
Hold
On
still.
behalf of the captain
Hold
and his
still.
crew, we would like to thank
Right
you for
here.
flying with us and wish you all a pleasant stay.
Oh.
Thank you.
Keep coming a little bit more. That's our gate right there. Okay, we are close to the terminal. We don't need the taxi lights. Turn it off.
Turn it off.
Perfect. Because that light is very strong for the guys. See, that's our gate right there. Okay, anti-ice off, off, off.
Anti-ice off, off, off.
Perfect. APU is running? Yes, that's good. Slightly to the right. Slightly to the right. Not yet.
That's so.
So sensitive, I know.
Uh-huh.
Little bit to the right. There you go. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Hold still. Now have your feet on the pedals. Nice and easy. Tip your toes. Let it go the brakes. Set parking brake.
Parking brake set.
Double check. It's
Goes.
not on. So off and down again. Up again. Parking brake set.
set.
So once you press the pedals, it will disengage the parking brake. That's what it is. Okay. So parking. APU is running. That means we can shut the engine number 1 down, lift, flick it down. Engine number 2, lift, flick it down. Both engines are shut down. Okay. Now
Yep.
fuel
Yeah.
pumps. 1, 2 off.
Two pulse off.
3, 5.
5. 3, 4.
3, 4. 5, 6.
5, 6.
All right. 4 passengers. Seatbelt signs off. Beacon nav logo lights off.
We can plug the lights off.
Perfect. Now, hydraulic pumps.
Hydraulic pumps.
C2, C1 off, off.
C2, C1 off, off.
Pumps off, off.
Pumps off, off.
Right electric off.
Right electric off.
Right engine off.
Engine off.
Left electric off. Left engine off. I will call Viviana. We landed. Parking brake off.
Off.
Doors to manual and cross-check.
And that will be the flight attendants open the doors. Captain, very good job.
Thank you for
Open the door behind us. Unlock it so Viviana can come in. Right there.